This Corona folding typewriter got some problem. When you hit any key, this button, the carriage around here, it was stuck. So I look at everything, remove the behind this part from here, this part, and then I check everything, but mechanically it was okay. So cosmetically something wrong. So finally I found this stuff. They have like this one, four of them. 1, 2, 3, and then this is 4. So that means they do like hold the carriage in front, protecting out of the range. So one of them was too tight, especially this one. So end of this, it's too tight. So this one does not move. So after unscrew under here, I little bit bent over, then it works good. But still, this one does not feed up the paper. That means the flat feed roller spot. So I tried first the sand with the sandpaper. During that, I broke this one. It's too old, too dry, so like this. It's easily broken. So if you want to try, be careful, because easily broken. So in order to access air, first we need to remove this one from here. Here the 2 screw. So we need to unscrew, and then we can remove that after like move one left, then one right, something like that. And then after that we can remove the whole platen. First we need to remove this one. So right side, this one unscrew, and then there is inside there are 2 more. So we need to unscrew the inside. A very small knob. I show you. This one, very small, right? There are 2. So after remove that, some typewriter easy to push this side, and then we can see this one move like this. Then we can take out this one. But normally it's very hard to take out this, so we need to hit a little bit with the anything hard one, then we can remove that like this. See, like this. After that, of course, we can remove platen like this, right? Yeah. And then we can take out this one, but I already made the new feed roller. It works good. I thinking a lot, and then I found the one idea. This one from the, you know, the RJ45 internet cable, right? This is this. Someone told this that's round. The total is 0.25 inch. So it's almost same thing with this one. So I cut this one, and then I take out the inside of this one. So it looks like it here, like this. After that, like there is a hole. After taking this stuff line, this outside is very dry, hard, so easily broken. After break, I put this new one, and then nicely cut, edge nicely cut, like this. But I don't know how long it stay like round, but feel like it's very good. It's very how can I say, it's enough hard, enough soft. So that means I thought it will work good. So that's why I made like this one. Then we need to assemble again. In order to assemble, there are a couple things you should do. First, this one, there is a hole around here. It should put the hole nicely into there. If this hole does not go into the holder, the carriage does not move after assembling. So that's one of the things. And then put here this one easily, and then put the pattern into the what is it called, the holder or base carriage, right? At that time you should do this one nicely. So the best way, first a little part put here, and then hold like inside this one. Like this, just a little. Then it's we can put this one. Then it's more easily we can do that. There is a very small space, so need to, yeah. Then you can put the. Someone is very hard to put this one into here, but mine is not that hard. It's easily going there. And then another thing you should do very well is okay. And then one more thing. After push this one should be put left side. So I want to recommend this pattern move like this, and then we can connect the knob and then screw two things under here. Why? If pattern move like this, then it does not work properly. See? Because there is a gap. So after putting like this, then it works good. So remember this one, and then you should yes, okay, let's screw this part. Okay, before that, okay, we can do this one later. Okay, yeah. I found this sometime there are just one screw here, but some typewriter already missing. But this one has a two screw. Okay. This one. This one. Then there is another hole. It's a very small screw. So okay, now it's okay. It's get into enough, no gap, so that means working nicely. This one, okay. Let's put the paper and then test it. This is a paper release. So after that, and then we can put the paper. Then see, let's see. See? Yeah, working nicely. So this paper feed roller working good. See? Maybe we need a little bit more. I mean the end of the both side. Maybe we hit and then make tight the both together, or you can use the glue inside, maybe, okay? And then we can put this one, okay? Okay, this one, go like this. Look at this, look at this, look at this. Let's see. Okay. Right. Very small screw. And then another one. Okay, this side. Let's see. Usually you need to move there. Too much screw. And screw this part. Okay. So you can adjust this one. Yeah. And to this one. Yeah. Alright. See, too tight maybe. Yeah, too tight means the paper, it's hold the paper, it's a little bit unscrew, get the room. This side, same thing. Before it's too tight. Not that professional, not that perfect, but still it's okay, right? Yeah, and then we need this one, put back the behind. A little bit more. One side there is an open space here, That means we can cover the what is it called, the mainspring. Then this side it doesn't matter because this one is inside already, but this is a little bit bigger, so don't put like this. Like this. This is a correct way. Okay. Actually, in order to change the paper feed roller, we don't need to open this one. I opened this one to look at the mechanism to realize why the carriage does not move at a certain location. So yeah, so I fix it that one easily. So if you know the problem, what is the problem correctly, then normally you can get the solution. So I have a 4 Corona folding typewriter. This one is a cosmetically best one. Now got it. So thank you for watching.